So guys, we have several files here. Now to check that if any of this file contains any kind of virus, go to any of your browser, then Google virus total, virus total. Now go inside the link which have www.virustotal.com. We have several options here like file, then the URL. Let's choose the file. Now to check the file, click on choose file. Let's choose the first one. This may take some time. As you can see, this file do not have any kind of virus. Now what is virus total? You can think of this as a updated virus database. Just like Avast, AVG, Kaspersky, virus total have all kind of updated virus database. Let's check another one. Minimize patch.exe. Left click, hold, drag over your browser icon, then just release it. See, this one have a lot of virus. You can check the details, also the community. So guys, that's how easily we can determine that if any of our file have virus or not. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.